Hi everyone. Welcome to our yoga class today. I'm excited to share some simple morning stretching exercises that you can do right out of bed to wake up your body and mind and prepare you for a productive day. These poses are perfect for beginners and will help you improve flexibility, reduce stress, and improve your overall alignment. Let's start with some deep breaths to get your body and mind in sync. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your belly, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting all the tension go. Now, let's start with tabletop poses, which means you'll be on your hands and knees throughout the exercise. First, do 3 sets of 10 reps for each. 1. Child's pose. This gentle pose helps stretch your lower back, hips, and thighs. Kneel on the ground, touch your big toes together, and sit back on your heels. Bring your forehead to the mat and extend your arms overhead, palms down. 2. Cat-cow stretch. This spinal flexion and extension can help improve neck and shoulder alignment. Starting in tabletop cat pose, arch your back toward the ceiling and bring your right knee forward and over your left thigh. Hold for 5 breaths, then switch sides. 3. Seated forward bend. This pose targets your hamstrings, calves, and lower back. Sit with your legs extended in front of you, feet flexed. Inhale and reach up, then exhale as you fold forward, bringing your hands to your feet or shins while keeping your back straight. Hold for 5 breaths and then slowly roll up from the waist, bringing your thighs back to your chest. And that's it for today. Remember, consistency is key, so do these stretches at least once a week to see the benefits. And most importantly, be gentle with yourself and listen to your body. Thanks for joining me in this morning stretching session, and have a wonderful day.